Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos in a very charming looks. Hope so I already share very attractive video, very charming looks, and this is so attractive videos. Hope so I already share very attractive design. Keep me attractive and sharing our most demanding videos in a demanding designs. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly. We're also sharing our most elegant videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just amazing and beautiful things, or contemporary videos, and so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos and a fantastic design. You will also good ideas. You will also charming videos and different types of things, different amazing videos of living rooms, great living rooms ideas. Great living rooms ideas are different amazing and beautiful things in a beautiful ideas. Are also good looking and beautiful ideas. You will be amazing. You will be beautiful and some things for newly videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic and beautiful ideas. Most attractive videos. Hope so I really share very attractive design. Attractive videos. Are you liking these amazing designs? I hope you found this. I really appreciate for newly videos in a newly designs. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic and beautiful things, beautiful ideas. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly. Are you liking these beautiful ideas, these beautiful videos? You will be amazing ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. In different strings of videos are more demanding great living rooms ideas or decorations related videos we have to share with many more elegant ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. Take care.